So you do want to first start off with 2 broken pencils already, and you want to make sure that this part is a little smaller than this one. To begin, I'm going to be taking the Modern Renaissance palette and taking a small brush, mixing red ochre and Venetian red, these 2 shades right here. I'm going to place the pencil like this, so I'm going to just outline. So I tried doing this other method, but it didn't work, so I just removed the latex, but we're gonna do a different method. So I'm gonna take some scar wax. I'm taking some tea tree oil. Hey guys, so I decided to do a voiceover for this portion of the video because I was making no sense, because I was just so distracted on trying to make this look good. But I basically just applied some scar wax to the area where I drew out the pencil outline, and then I applied liquid latex over it, and with the oil in my fingers that just helped the scar wax blend in easier. And I also applied some extra liquid latex to the tip of the pencil covered with some tissue paper so that it would apply better. And I am kind of sick, so that's why I do sound a little weird, but you just basically want to hold it there, and I did apply liquid latex like all over just to make sure it was actually sticking there, and just letting it air dry, and that's how it looked. Now for this portion of the video, I'm going to take the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe palette, the first one that she came out with, and just taking any maroon and like reddish shades. I'm just shading around the nose area as well as the top you're going to see right now, just to give it a more like realistic bruised effect. Now I did start going into deeper shading tones, like in the nostril as well, where the pencil was getting closer, because it just made it look more realistic. And I did apply some shading underneath my eye bags just to make it seem like I'm really hurt and it's affected that whole area of my face. So yeah, basically when you're getting closer to the inner part of the pencil where the pencil is near, just darken it up a bit. After this step, I took my Anastasia lipstick palette, and I just took some dark maroon and reddish shades, and I just started applying this closer to the pencil. And I literally did this in such a messy way, because when it comes to these types of makeup looks, the messier the better, because it looks like, wow, what happened? So I just applied this all over to make it look realistic. Now on to my favorite part, the blood. So I did pick up some scab blood. Basically what this is it makes it look gooey and thick compared to vampire blood, which is more liquidy and runny. So with the scab blood, I just placed it near the inner part of the pencil as well, because that's where most of the blood is going to come out through. And I applied it on my nose and just anywhere where it looked that it belonged. Now I did move on to some vampire blood, and as you can tell, I'm already dripping in it, but I just applied it to both sides of my nostril and then to the tip of the pencil, because obviously if it went through your whole cartilage and your bone. Alright you guys, that was it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.